Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Study Place YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the basic structure of Java program. So, how we write the normal Java program. So let's learn. Let's begin. So this is the main method class program. Main method class program. This main class you must write. We can write in the Java program n number of classes, but the main class we must write. So this is very essential. So this class is very essential. Okay, you can write these statements anything, but the main class, void main class, is must in the Java program. It is very essential. Others of the classes are optional. Okay, I will explain that also, basic structure, how we write the in Java programs. Let's learn about the Java program only one small basic structure. So in next video we will learn about the all the optional and the essential, how we can write the Java program. So let's learn only the basic and the void main class. So how it had been written. So let's begin. So class hello. Class is nothing but class is a keyword, and hello is the class name. Open braces and close braces. This is the from this braces class starts and at this braces class ends. Okay, public static void main parenthesis open string brackets arguments. Args stands for arguments, close parenthesis. Okay, this I will explain, don't worry. Here opens the void main and it's close the void main. Under this only we will write the all the statements of the program. Okay, if you want to write any simple program, just like in two numbers, which number is bigger, or some Fibonacci number series or something, small programs, then we can write only this much. Only this, only we can write in only one class only. This is void main class. So in this only we can write. No need to take off another things. So don't worry about it. I will explain it in next video. Just learn in this video about the basic structure of Java program. Only one structure means only one class about the Java program, and the remaining essential, that all I will explain in later. So public, what is this public? Public is the access specifier. Access specifier. Public means, for example, if you are standing in between the bus stand, so everyone can save you, so everyone can ask you something or talk to you something. So you are visible to everyone. So this is only public. Public means you are visible to anyone, so anyone can access you. So in the programming language also it is similar only. If we have created any method or function in the public access specifier, then any other class or any other class can access you or can reach to you. So this is only public means visible to all. Public means visible to all. Any function can access you. Okay. This static I will explain. Void main. Main is the method, and void is no return type. Means void means returning no return type. Okay. In that string brackets and args, this this defines we are passing string array type arguments, and args stands for arguments. See here, we'll write the method like this also and like this also. So sum is the method name and its return type is void. Void is nothing but the no return type. It defines the no return type. In that no arguments we have passed. This also it is one method. In the another method, void sum. Sum is the method name and void is the return type. So in that two arguments we have been passed. One is int a and another is int b. Okay. Int I should give you a space, but I have forgotten here. So basically we can pass the arguments also here. So here also I have been passed arguments such as string array type arguments. String array type arguments. These brackets are being used to declare the array size. So these brackets are used to declare the array size. How? So you see here, a is the array name, and in that we have given size 5. Means a variable holds five elements or five elements, okay, or five elements or five variables, it depends on the data type. So it holds the array size 5, okay. Same thing only I have written. So here integer type of argument is there, here string array type of argument is there, okay. And ARGS stands for arguments. So void main arguments is string array type argument, and ARGS stand for arguments. So this line, and I will explain static also here. So static means in place of object we are using this. So while if we have written any method in the class, so to call that method, suppose think here multiple two classes are there, okay, two classes are there. In that upside the hello class, another class is there. So there also we have created one method. To call that method, we will create an object. For example, a is the object and dot is the dot operator, and sum is the method name. Suppose think that some method is upside the hello class. So to call that method, so we will create that a dot sum parenthesis. So we have created an object here, right? So to call the method, okay. So for the void main, we have not created any method. So the static is only the object which will call the main method. I hope you have getting this. So to any method, we have seen in the C++ programming also, if we have created any method in the Java C++ program, to call the method we will create that object, and through object and dot operator we will call the method or function. So here in this program, in this small program, we have not created any object to call the void main method. Static itself is the object which will call this void main method. I hope you have got this. And this line can be written in three types. So one is public static void main. Here you should remember that yes, string S is capital and system S is capital, okay. Public static void main, string a, or without any if you don't want to write the or args, then you can shortly write a and brackets. Instead of writing these brackets after the string, you can write after the a, okay. Next is public static void main, string args, after that you can write instead of writing the string after the brackets, you can write args after the brackets, okay. Public static void main, as I have stored here, only string brackets space arguments here, that is only this. So in these three types of are there, which you can write in any of them in the Java programming language. So why these arguments are being used, string array type arguments, and these arguments, why it will be used? So in Java, one concept is there called command line argument. So for that it will be used. So that command line argument we will study in the coming videos, don't worry about it. So why it will be used, you should know about the string argument, and arguments will be used for command line argument. So let's go further. System.out.println. So this shows that to print this statement it is used. To print this statement it is used. What statement? So what you have written in the double quotes, that will this statement or this message will be printed. So after that we will put the semicolon, it terminates the line. So hello world program will be printed. I hope you have got this. This braces will open braces, and this braces close braces will end the void main, and open class and this close class, this ends the class, okay. I hope you have understood this one. So there are two types of printing things, system.out.print and system.out.println. Here ln is not there and this is ln is there. So if we have not written ln here, then if you have done here parenthesis double quotes in that message you have written, so that message will be printed, but it will not go to the next line, okay. If we have written print ln, after that you have a message written, then it will also print, and the cursor will go next line, and that from that line also the execution begins. This ln will also represents the slash n. But when we use our C++ in slash n, so it goes on the next line. So similarly this ln also goes. Don't worry, when we the next after the one video we will do the practical of this program, so there you will understand clear cut. Don't worry about it. So this is nothing but system.out.println means to print the message. So whatever the message you have been given here, it will be printed. So println and print is nothing much differences. Both only the message will print. The print, if you have not written ln here, only the message print and the cursor stops here only. It will not go to the next line. But if we have written here ln, then the message will print and the line goes downside of the next line. Means the cursor will goes to the next line, next statement. So it starts execution of the next line. Okay, let's see one by one what is the keyword name and each and everything. So class means class is a keyword which is used to declare a class in Java. Yes, I have told that only. Class is a keyword. Public is the access specifier. Public means the function is visible to all. Here, that only I have told. Public is the access specifier which the method is visible to all. So wherever I have written here function, you should consider it as a method, because in Java no function is there. Means in function is there, but we will not call it as function, we will call it as method. It has been replaced, name it as method. So wherever I have written function, just call it as method. Okay. Static is a keyword used to make a function static. Okay. Static is a function used to make a function static. Void means static. To execute static function, you do not have to create the object of the class. That only I have written. To execute or to call the main function, you don't have to create the object. The main method here is called as JVM. Here the main method itself is called as JVM without creating any object for the class. So the JVM itself will call the main method, so no need to create the object. So the JVM itself will call the main method through static object, so no need to create the object for the main method. So let's go next. So void. So void is nothing but the return type. That only I told. It is the return type, meaning this function will not return anything. So instead of this void, you can put in that this you have tried many of the methods of functions in the C++ or C. So void is the return type. Return of what? Return of no return type. It returns nothing of the method. Means nothing it is returning. Main method is the most important method in Java program. This is the method which is executed all logic inside the main method. If a Java class is not having a main method, it causes compilation error. Yes. One thing I want to tell you that from the main method only the program starts execution. In the main method only program will end its execution. Okay. In the Java program you can create n number of classes. Suppose upside the hello class it is another class. So whatever the methods had been created in that class, that all objects had been created in this class. So from this object only, so from here only it goes out, the cursor goes here and it will execute and come back here only. So the execution starts from the main and execution ends from the main, and execution ends at the main. Without the void main, the compilation will give you error in the Java programming language. So I hope you have got this, what is the basic structure of the Java program. I hope you have got understood. If you have any kind of doubts, the comment section is open for you all only. Java complete tutorial playlist is in the description. Please subscribe the channel, hit the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.